Hey, good morning and welcome back to my channel. We're outside in Pepper Row, and this is the last area of cleanup I have to do from Hurricane Idalia. And sadly, but necessarily, the peppers in Pepper Row are going to be cut down and discarded. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest what I can, and then the rest of them after I do that, I'm going to remove the plants. Hurricane Idalia blew the majority of them over, and they have broken and exposed roots, and I can't save them. And then some of them, like the ghost pepper here, I've had for 4 years. So I think it's time to start anew, and that's what I'm going to do. Over here, in where my okra is, the okra before the hurricane was being eaten by bugs that looked like weevils. So I had already decided I was going to get rid of them. But I'm going to go ahead and harvest what I can off of these. And then I'm going to cut these down as well. And also the mulberry tree. almost made it too close to the camera, but I got it down. Now we're gonna chop it up. Okay, so we're back. It's humid out here, very hot. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and finish this. I got everything, the 2 okra plants and the mulberry tree cut down. I put a couple cuts in the root of the base of the tree, mulberry tree, and I have some root rot that I'm going to pour on it. So hopefully that will cause the rest of it to rot out. Now we're going to go over to the peppers. We're going to do some harvesting of what we can and then get rid of the rest of the plants. Well, welcome back. My grandsons and I took the trees, the plants, limbs, out for a bulk pickup, and everything is cleaned up and straightened up. And overall, I've been kind of putting this off, but it needed to be done, so I'm glad I got it done. I'm going to start more peppers, but it won't be anytime soon. The empty containers minus the mulberry tree, I'm going to put some fall plants in them. I have some greasy collards. So in 2 of them, I'm probably going to put collards. And in one of them, I might plant a sugar pumpkin. I haven't decided for sure though. So if you got anything out of the video, give me a thumbs up. I was glad I was able to bring you along while I did this final summer slash Hurricane Idalia chore, and I got it taken care of. If you got something out of the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take this moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and plants by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. You can leave me a comment and you can share my content. If you're interested in any of the seeds or the saw that I used, you can hit to the comment section or description section of the video and it'll be listed there. If you're interested in any of the talking with me on social media such as Facebook, I have a gardening group called Small Space Gardening. You can find me there as well. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, remember to give thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.